Let me teach you step by step on how you can mine this project conveniently. And let me explain how this works for you. You can see that my own tapping has increased to about 6,300 per tap. Now look here, this is my battery. I'm going to teach us how you can improve this battery and your profit per tap. So what are they really counting? They are counting your what? Profit per hour, and that's what will make you qualify for the airdrop. Your coin balance and number of people you have referred. So let us read their airdrop criteria. You see that. Let me click on this airdrop here. So you can see it said airdrop is the distribution of token to players' wallets. This token will be traded on top exchange and you can either sell or hold them. To receive your token, you must connect your wallet. And let's scroll down to see what their criteria say. The total number of tokens you will receive will depend on the total number of amounts in game currency you have entered throughout the game, your hourly income. So keep upgrading your character, your hourly income, the number of friends you have invited to the game. So I saying now total number of in-game currency you earn. So that means the coin balance, your hourly income, that means your profit per hour, and the number of friends you have referred. So how do you boost all those things? So to do that is very, very simple. Just make sure that you come to improve. This improve here, click on improve. So if you click on improve, so you are going to see that you have 4 things to do here: personal, office, team, mining. So all you just have to do what? Make sure you are tapping, you are buying them. Can you see? So just tap, keep buying them. So my own has increased to the extent that the amount of money is really high. So I just have to, but make sure that if you are starting, pick all those lowest currency first. Be tapping on the lowest currencies. This is how you keep tapping. So if you want to increase your battery, and your profit per tap. So once you click on improve here, you will go to mining. This mining here, come down to mining. So my own is telling me to get to level 15 because I've gotten to level 14, so that I can open it. But for you, there's possibility you see all these ones. So just scroll down and make sure that you tap for everything, and it will start to increase your mining rates and also increase your battery. This increase your battery. It's going to increase the battery and the profit per tap. Automatically, it will be improving your profit per hour here. And another benefit is the more you increase them, the more it increases. The more you tap, and this is very, very important. This is the request here. Let me click on it. Click on quest, and it's going to show. Let's wait for it to load. We have this daily quest here. The network is not that favorable. So good. Here, my own is counted down. This daily reward. Make sure you claim your daily reward every day. Don't miss out. Complete all daily quests. That means you have to watch the video. Watch the YouTube video, the 2 YouTube videos. So if you are joining us on our Telegram group, you'll be seeing all these things being dropped there every day. So they tap. You are meant to tap about 4 million to get 251,000 points. So by the time you keep increasing your tap, you're able to tap this one out and you get this. Another thing is rebus of the day and redo of the day. The two will be there, so make sure you open it. And if you join our Telegram, you're going to see it on our Telegram. Check the link in the description below. You surely see it there. So you can invite friends, and just make sure that you complete this redo. As redo, we have rebus and this two YouTube video and tap money. Make sure you complete simple tasks. They are very, very, very important. So take of all these ones, and if you can follow this step by step, you'll be able to target about 100 million. And you see, I just got started too, so you can grow this together. And don't forget, their listing is September. So you are still early, so you can still join early and be fast on this project before it's too late. So you can check the link in the description below on how to start right now. Don't miss out. So subscribe to my channel, for more video like this so that you don't miss out. Subscribe, like, and share. This thing is free. Just subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.